Alright guys, that car was the one. It was in pristine, neat condition. I just paid for it. Right, I put like a $5 in the tank and it didn't go anywhere. Somehow, I've made it home somehow. Right. Here it is. Yo guys, I'm just on my laptop right now. I have got the car up. What's going on YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. Boost gang. Today's video is episode 2 of me flipping cars for the first time by myself. So basically, I think I found the car. It has MOT until next year, so it's got a year's MOT. It's a Ford Fusion. Let me just get it up and show it to you real quick. It's gonna need a front grille, and that's about it, and just put it up for sale. But yeah, let me just try and find it real quick. So yeah guys, I found it now. If you can see, let me just get filming right. There it is. I'll show you, that's what it means by it needs a front grille. But apart from that, the cars, you can see it's in a clean condition. I'll just get the front grille. That's calm, innit? For the price I'm getting it for, that's calm. For a starter, for a first car to flip, I mean, you got to start low, you know what I mean, and then build your way up. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Start low, build my way up, and yeah man, just keep tuning. So I'm gonna go see the car today and I'll tell you what, if it goes well or not. Alright guys, that car was the one. It was in pristine, neat condition. I just paid for it. So basically right now, I'm gonna go home and then get someone to take me down, or I follow someone down, and then we basically collect the car, if you get what I mean. Alright, I'm on my way home now. I messaged my friend, see if he could take me back to get the car, and yeah, he said yeah, that's calm. So I'm gonna go back and get the car, and then it's gonna be a review, and you guys are gonna see how much of a steal I got. It's in the good condition for the age. It's got both keys, MOT till next year. I found a good one. I'm gonna make profit. Anyway, we're on the way to get the car now. In my G's car, you know, my day one G. Come on. Josh, in it from primary school days. Come on. Yeah, now they don't know about them days. They don't know about them days. The pony that was on the channel, this my G that's taking me. Gonna collect the car. Yeah, I'm gonna reveal it to you lot. If you wanna buy it in it, it's available. Yeah. I'll get the photos up tomorrow and all that stuff. Get the photos done when it's dry. And yeah, I'll just see that when I'm there, innit? Bow. Alright guys, we're now inside the car. It's in good condition, as you can see. And yeah, I'll pick it on a right. I put like a $5 in the tank and it didn't go anywhere. Somehow, I've made it home somehow. Right. Here it is. Yeah. You know what I mean? It needs the grill, but the grill is in there, and I'm gonna put it in. But got it for a good price, just know that. And it's in very good condition. Look at that. Good condition, man. Very good condition. I mean, if you're interested, comment down below, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna open the trunk real quick. I mean the boot, as they say in this country. Hopefully I can make some good profit on it. But yeah, I made the purchase. Obviously it's got to look a bit of whatever's going on there, but I'll just rip this off anyway because there's metal behind it, innit? What do you think? Keep this or just rip it off? What do you think? Keep this thing here or rip it off?
You can probably get a new thing and put it on there.
Nah, I ain't got to spend any money.
Oh, you can strip that, man.
This thing's ready to be sold. What's your piece?
I probably strip that. It's big, innit?
It's big, bro. It's kind of hard to close.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
But apart from that, the sight's looking in it. Hubcaps, they could stay, but I'm gonna spray this like black. If you get me, the inside bit in it.
I got no trip.
Yeah, bro, it stops nicely. Yeah. The clutch feels nice. Yeah. It's got full service history in that. If you're interested, you even got the starter manual, whatever you call it, user manual. You know what I mean? It's got MOT till next year. Wow. Everything nice. Yeah. Everything nice and fresh. If you're interested, comment down below, innit? Yeah. And yeah, the thing's there. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the grill on, take some pictures and get it up for sale, innit? So yeah, bless up. God's sake, man. I'm trying to think how this guy looks.
You must have done something funny.
You done something like,
Yeah.
what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? You're on it right now.
Hi.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You're gonna see a new whip. Oh, is that your moving coming out windows like that? Alright, come here then. You little girl, throw your jacket there. There's a coat. Put it on. What, did you have shine today?
Yeah.
Alright, let me show you then. It's a very ugly car, but
Okay.
but it's here to sell. Do you know what I mean? It's here to sell.
Is it that one?
Yeah, it's this one right here. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so ugly. But condition wise, you can see that it's in decent condition. Well, the only problem I have is the bonnet won't lock. So my solution is, I loosened it and I'm gonna raise it up. As you can see, it's moving. I'm gonna raise it up and tighten it, but look, I'll show you what it was like before. It wasn't closing. See, look, it's not shutting. So let me show you how to fix that. Basically what you want to do is loosen this like I have, push it all the way up and then tighten it tight and it should close. And I'll do it just now. There you go, it's all tightened and up there now. Let's see what it does. Easy fix, bro. Wow, it's closed. It's closed. It's closed. And just open it. So that's one thing that's fixed. Now I need to put the grill on, which looks like it's been ripped off. So let's see how that works out. There you go. Engine bay is pretty clean. Here, right? The grill's been ripped out, so I got to take these out, but they just spin. So what I do is I get this screw gun on it, and also, where are they gone? These on the top to hold it, and then the screw gun to take it off. And I'll be back when I take it all off. I've got it all out now. That's what it's looking like up there. So it's all out, but what I'm gonna have to do is, because of where some snaps, I'm just gonna have to super glue it in there. All these little bits. One bit snaps off up there, but what I can, I'm gonna have to super glue them in because some of them snap off. Like this big one here, so I have to super glue that in. But apart from that, when it fits in there, yeah, it should be calm. Just like that. And then just go and take the photos and put it up for sale. Also what I'm gonna do is, like you see behind the hubcaps, how that's got a bit of rust. I'm just gonna get spray paint, just spray paint that black. Yeah, but look, tires got thread left on it. So is these ones. And yeah, man. Right guys, the grill's on. I had to use a few cable ties as well to hold it in safely. But apart from that, let me just get rid of all of that. Alright, it's all done. Looking nice and shiny. I'm about to go to the spot to take the pictures now. As you can see, those little black bits are basically shiny. As you can see, the grill's on, the bonnet opens. Mad. Let's go and get the pictures taken. Time to go and get the pictures taken. The seating position is so high, damn. And it starts. Then we'll go get the pictures. I'll show you what the pictures are like. I want to show you guys something. Look, over the bumps, the car doesn't make, like, it's solid. No rattlings or anything. Drives well. Alignment straight, so you can tell it hasn't been crashed or anything. Man, it's quite a decent little car. Alright, yo guys, I'm just on my laptop right now. I have got the car up. You can see some, wait, let me go from the start. Okay, so this is the first picture you see. Hopefully I can vlog it soon. And yeah, that's all the pictures. Just gonna sort out the description and just get it up, and yeah. Alright guys, here's my description if you can pause it and read it if you want. But let me just scroll up real quick. I'm putting it up for sale for £980. It's got full service history, 2 keys, everything. So it's going to be up on the marketplace right now. Let's click next. Let me see if can I add tags to the thing. There's a thing if I can add tags to it. No, I don't think you can. Alright guys, we've just finished taking the pictures of the car now. I'm going to list it on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree and all that stuff, and just try and get it vlogged. And yeah man, that's what I'm finna do. Look, things looking clean now, cleaned it nicely, and that also done the grill, got the grill to fit, as you can see, mad. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and support the thing, as I always say. And yeah, subscribe and help me get to 700 subscribers. I'm almost there. And yeah, if you're interested, it's a good car, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't have to do nothing to it. Do you want it? Comment down below.